I want to sharpen a few axes. These are axe heads that I came across on a job. They're all rusted and no handles in them, so I've cleaned them up, put a fresh handle in. Now I want to grind these edges on these blades and put a bit of an edge back on, then they'll go to sell. This is also another axe that I'm going to do today. It's got a pretty good edge on it already. This one came in the same, broken off the same job, and I put a fresh handle on it. There you go, nice handle there. And I'll put an edge back on it, then they'll go away to be sold. Dirty hands making this handle dirty. I don't want to get that dirty. Right, it's coming up quite nice now. Don't touch that handle too much. That's a pretty nice edge on there. Consistent. A little bit of a burr over. I'll just take off that burr gently. And the burr's gone. I've left it quite a fine edge. That's pretty good. I'm going to just go across this one with a hand file first and then move on to the stone. That's a good enough edge for an axe like this. It's quite fine, there's still a few chips in it left. I don't want to make it any finer than that. Just deburred it, those last two stripes just deburred it. Right, that's good. There it is, I've got 3 sharp axes ready to go for sale.